So this is a video how to set up Windows Movie Maker. So I put it into the folder where your videos are. You click on this and then download. It should take just a few seconds. There it is. So it's downloaded. Almost ready. There we go. Click on it, open the file. Then it asks you if you want to do that. You say yes. And then it's opening the file. Okay, so it took a few seconds. So this is part of Windows Essential 2012. So this is 10 years old, but it still works on Windows 10. So it's getting ready. You can see it says in Spanish. Now after you open the program, it will ask you to install everything or just choose the program. So I only want to install Windows Movie Maker. So you click here. And then I will choose, where is it? Yeah, Photo Gallery and Movie Maker. So I unclick this one, unclick this one, and unclick this one. So I choose only this one. And then install. So that's going to take a while. I'll come back when it's done. Okay, let's see how. So it looks like it's taking quite a while. It's been already 20 minutes and it's only about 1/3. So I guess be prepared, it's slow. It's almost finished. So now it's about 30 minutes. So I guess that's what you can expect. So the installation is finished, and then close it. All right, so close it. And then let's take a look. Should be in the programs now. So there it is, Movie Maker. Let's open it. Okay, so that's why it was slow, because first you have to agree to the terms, of course. So accept. And it should open now. There it is. So I will explain to you in class how it works.